Hello children, good morning all of you. So I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, so let us start. Today's our English period. Yes, English period of class 2. So in this English period we are going to discuss the lesson number 3 and the name of the lesson is No Smiles Today. So in this video we are going to complete our lesson number 3, that is No Smiles Today, and this lesson is related to the friendship. Yes, this lesson is completely related to the friendship. Actually this lesson is a short story, okay, and they told us about the importance of friendship. Okay, so let us see what we are going to see in this video. So see, objectives. Objectives means what we are going to learn, okay, in this video. Especially it is mentioned in 3 points. So number 1, listen and extract information. So see, listening and speaking skills, with that we are going to take the writing skill also. So first of all, listen and extract information. So I am going to tell you one story that you have to listen it very carefully, and after that we are going to discuss the exercise which is given in your English textbook, and see, and then you will get some information, then you have to try to apply it. Okay, so next point is, yes, learn to speak about our friends. So see dear students, you are going to learn how to speak about your friends also. Yes, miss, in this video you are going to develop your speaking skill also. So let us see what is the next point. Write about our best friend. So this point also we are going to cover, means writing skill also we are going to develop by watching this video. You can develop your writing skills, means you have to write about your best friend. So let us take one by one. So first of all, what you have to take, that listening and speaking. So in that there is a one beautiful story. Yes, listening and speaking, in that there is a beautiful story. So this story, what you have to do, you have to listen this story carefully. So see, yes, this is the story. I am going to read the story for you. You have to listen this story carefully, because after that I am going to ask you few questions, okay, related to this story. So see the story. Okay, let us start. Riya, Sia and Rohan are very good friends. Every evening they go to play in the park. One day they saw a puppy lying on a pile of leaves and weaning. It seemed that he was hungry and cold. The children picked him up and brought him to their house. Riya got a bowl from her house. Sia got some milk and bread. Rohan got a nice warm blanket for him. For many days the children looked after him. They even named him Fudge. These days the 4 friends play together. So see, I am going to explain you the story. Riya, Sia and Rohan are very good friends. Yes, every evening they go to play in the park. One day they saw a puppy lying on the piles of leaves and whinnying. Okay, whinnying means that puppy is crying. Okay, whinnying means it is a type of sound. Okay, and it seemed that he was hungry and he is feeling cold also. Children picked him up and brought him to their house. Then what did Riya do? Riya got a bowl from her house. Sia got some milk and bread. Okay, and Rohan got a nice blanket, warm blanket for him. For many days the children looked after. Look after means they took care of that little puppy, and they even name also. If any animal or pet is living with us, then we are completely attached to that animal. Yes, they even named him as Fudge. And these days the 4 children or the 4 friends play together. I hope you listen this story very carefully. So let us see the exercise related to this story. So see, this is a picture. Okay, and it is a very beautiful picture which is given in your textbook. Okay, so see, listen to a story and choose the correct word for each blank. See, I am not going to tell you the answer, you have to write the answer by yourself. Okay, see, because I explain you the story, you are going to write the answer in your English textbook. So let us see question number 1, that is, the children went to play in the blank, and your options are garden or park. So the children went to play in the garden or in the park. So you have to, now you listen the story, you have to try to listen it once again if you did not getting the answer. Okay, you are going to watch this video once again. If you already know, then no need to watch it again. Then you are going to write or fill in the blanks in the textbook. Okay, so the children went to play in the, yes, I am not going to tell you the answer. Next, number 2, the puppy was lying on a pile of, in bracket, your options are grass or leaves. So the puppy was lying on a pile of grass or leaves. Yes, you have to find the answer because you listen the story and you are going to write the answer. Yes, it is my duty to explain you, and whatever you want, whatever the procedure is there, because this is the listening and speaking activity, you have to listen, you have to speak, you have to write the answer. Okay, so all the 3 skills is going to develop by this video. Number 3, the puppy was blank, in bracket, the options are hungry or thirsty. So you have to find that the puppy was hungry or it was thirsty, and you have to write the correct answer. Okay, number 4, Sia brought, in bracket, options are milk or water and bread for the puppy. So along with bread, what did Sia bring? Milk or water? You have to find out, and then you are going to write the answer in your English textbook. Let us see number 5, that is, Rohan got a worm, in bracket, your options are blanket or sweater. Okay, for the puppy. So what did Rohan get for the puppy? So see, the options are blanket or sweater. You have to find the answer. If you are not getting the answer, you have to listen the story once again carefully. Okay, and then you have to write the answer. So see, the beautiful picture is given here. Okay, so now you can see this picture. Yes, it is a very beautiful picture which is given in your textbook. So let us go to solve the next exercise. I hope you understood this listening extract. So next point is speaking. Now you have to speak. See, what you have to speak? See, this is the speaking activity. Okay, work in pairs. Now you are not in school, but you can work with your brother, sister or any family member you can select. Okay, for speaking activity. If you will not speak, then you will forget. Okay, how to speak. So it is very necessary to speak also. Writing, speaking and listening, all the skills are very much important for the English language. So see, work in pairs, you can find your partner by your own. Okay, discuss and role play the following situation. Role play means you have to act. Okay, so see, number 1, let us read the what is the role play. A new student has joined your class. Okay, a new student has joined your class. How will you make him or her? If the boy is there, then him. If the girl is there, then her. Comfortable in school, you can talk about the following. Okay, you have to imagine, because school is not there, but even then new students are joining the school. Okay, so see what you have to do for that. Number 1, what you have to do? Think of questions you would like to ask. Means you have to think about the questions. What are the questions that you are going to ask for that new students? For example, obviously the student's name first you are going to ask, like what is your name? Yes, what she or he likes, what are their likes and dislikes. You are going to ask about their family. Yes, how many members are in their family, where they are living. Okay, where is their house? Means you can ask any questions to them related to family also. You can again ask about their favorite game also. Yes, so see, in this way you can ask many questions. You have to think which type of questions you are going to ask. Number 2, that tell him or her about yourself, the school and the teachers. Means what you are going to do, that tell him or her about yourself. Means you are going to talk about yourself also, about our school also, and about the teachers. That means our school is how nice our school, JetKid school is how the best school is in the city or in the town or in the district. Yes, and the teachers, how the teachers taking efforts, and how are the friends, and how is our sport day, how is our annual day. Like that you can discuss about the school and about the each and every event that takes place in our school. So in this way you have to speak. Okay, so I hope you understood this speaking activity. Now let us see the next, and the next part is the writing. So this is the writing activity. So what you have to do, see, first of all we will read the question. Write about your best friend. Mention 2 or 3 things you like to do together. Means what you have to do, you have to write about your best friend and mention 2 or 3 things that you like to do together. Together means what you want to do, what you like to do with your best friend. Okay, so that things, at least 2 or 3 things you have to write here. Okay, see, this is the writing activity. So you have to write beautifully in cursive, in good handwriting. Okay, by this your writing skill will be developed. So let us read the letter or passage. My best friend's name is, so you are in the first line you are going to write your best friend's name and write only one name. Okay, next, she, if the girl is there then you can use the word she, if the boy is there you can use the word he, and another word you can going to cut. Is dash years old, means how many years old she is. So how old are he or she is, how old is. So you are going to write that. Now next, when we are together, how you are going to start the sentences. When we are together, we like to, yes, you like to watch movies, you like to play cricket, you like to play tennis, you like to play ludo, carom, chess, you like to eat together, you like to go to picnic together, whatever. So that whatever you feel, that you like to do studies together. So many things are there that you can write it down. So at least 2 to 3 things you have to write down, it is compulsory. So in this way you have to solve this writing skill, that is the writing project, or it is not the project actually, it is the writing skill, writing part. So after every lesson they have given us somewhat writing skill. So I hope you understood about the listening skill also, yes, about the speaking skill, and about the writing skills. So what you have to do, you have to watch this video carefully, students. Then you have to write what I told you. You have to complete exercise A, which is related to the story. Then you are going to do the speaking activity with your family members, and then at last what you are going to do, that you are going to write, okay, about your best friend in the, okay. So stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Bye children.